India's #1 coaching institute for NIFT, NID, NATA, UCEED.
Here to discuss about your situation test. Hope you guys are doing good. And today, especially what we are going to talk about, this is about situation test kit. You guys have given a lot of requests. So what we have decided to make a kit which really gonna help for the student. So we have taken a guideline by Mr. Gobind Kumar Singh, who is a well-known designer and former faculty of NIFT. So his input was really very helpful for us. So we are thankful for him. Any kind of the query and question which you guys are having in a mind, maybe, or you are not able to think, okay, what next I should do, or maybe I'm doing this product, but what to do, what next, how to create my the best for my exams, because do comment below so that we can help you out with your questions. Whatever question you will ask, we'll give you the answer. So now today I'm going to unbox this kit. So now I'm going to unbox this kit which is by Ignite India. It's available on Amazon and you can give us direct order also. So yeah, this is your kit box which I'm going to unbox. So if you will order us online, so you will get this kit which is subsidized and helped by Ignite India. Well, here we have given the what you should do for your situation test, because this exam is going to be 100 marks. And this 100 marks exam, the weightage, as you know, this is 20% weightage you have. So if you want to score 90, 100 or maybe 80 plus, so what you need to do? The average student, they score 40 and 50 marks. For that, you have to take care of couple of things like quality of your material, innovation, aesthetic, neatness, and overall presentation of your work. Must write your proper write-up with the key and points. So obviously we'll help you in next videos about that. And here what is given in this kit, the all last 15-year question papers is here, which is given in an NIFT exam. Apart from that, again tips are mentioned here. Let's see what is there. Very interesting. There are so many materials. So this is the bubble wrap, cotton seed and the jute, as well as there are stationery also is here. So we have given glue, paper cutters. So the team is really worked well. I think they have done a very hard work. I can see even kit is here, like Fevicol, all these things which is required for your entrance exam, and you have to carry these things for your entrance exam. Then apart from that, if I'll see bubble wrap or this corrugated sheet, they have given this sheets in 2015 entrance exam. This one they have given 2013 and 14, and jutes they have given 4 or 5 times. I remember in 2011 and 12 also this came in your entrance exam. Like that, here you have rest of the material to practice. So handmade seed, paper, newspaper, OHB seeds. Then then there are different kind of ivory papers and other seeds and all. Along with that, you have all this different 25 materials are here. So all these materials you can practice. We have an even different kit where if you're placing order in few kits, we give even 40 plus material also. So in your entrance exam once it's come, so there they will give you at least 12 to 15 material ka one packet kit along with the questions, and that question you have to solve. You have to make a 3D model and you have to write about that question. So same based on your exam pattern, here is the kit the question mock test 1. So after doing the all practice, the material which I have shown you, after that you have to come here and you have to solve these questions So like that, in this box we have set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4. There are the series based on whatever you will select. We have a smart kit. On Amazon we have a different kit type and varieties over there. So whichever you will order, accordingly you will get the material which you're gonna use. So I believe this will give you overall ideas about your entrance exam, And related to this, whatever questions you have, you can ask us. You can order through Amazon. You can contact us if you are not able to order. So as till now you have seen, like, all these materials are given which you are supposed to use. Samples are given there. So what you should make out of that. But now the very special mock test papers are here in this kit. So we have mock test paper 1, mock test paper 2, mock test paper 3, 4, like that in series. The ideas of these mock papers are, this is based on your exam pattern. The similar kit you gonna get in your exam also. So what is here is, we are giving you the questions, with the question the list of the material, what is here in this packet, and the same kit you are supposed to practice in 2 hours at home. And must share the image with us. Take the guideline, because this is especially designed for you. In fact, you are in home, you can practice on same pattern and you can solve it at home itself, so that when you will go in the exam, you will not feel like, okay, this is completely new for me. Because if you are just practicing for the a craft and you are making a different product which is available, it's just a practice of your craft. Here we have synchronized and we had to make up in exactly a pattern which is there in the exam. So if you will follow this gonna help you a lot, and that may be the reason your marks will increase, and you may perform well. So that is the idea of this mock test paper. So please do solve this. Related to this, if any query you have, please ask the questions, and links are mentioned below. So there you can go, you can ask your questions. In fact, in below you can write your questions, directly we'll answer you. Numbers are also given below, so you can contact us for any further queries. That's it. So I have explained you about entire kit. In this kit box you have all material, mock paper, questions, pattern, how you can follow. But still, I know you may need some help how to do this. So anywhere, if you are confused, please contact us. If you wanna place the order, go on Amazon, there you can place the order. Flipkart, there you can place the order. Still, if you have any queries and all, let us know. Wish you all the best, guys, and I hope this really gonna help you. And this, wherever you are, my wishes are there. You guys have enough time, prepare at home, and wish you all the best.
Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CEED, UCEED entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having a 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.
Hi, I'm Sumedha and I secured a rank of 10 in my DAT mains and got selected in NID Ahmedabad.
Hi everyone, my name is Gauri Jaman and I secured the 8th rank in NID for the Master's Program in Apparel Design.